Imagine a machine that mows your lawn, clears your snow, and vacuums up every autumn leaf, all without you lifting a finger. Now imagine it doing all three with all-wheel drive power, centimeter-level precision, and enough battery muscle to run for 6 straight hours. This isn't sci-fi. It's the Apollo Turfstorm, and it just blew past its Kickstarter goal. Today, we're diving into the multifunctional yard robot that aims to replace 3 different machines with one smart modular beast. And the numbers from its crowdfunding launch are already making waves. The Apollo Turfstorm hit Kickstarter with a $50,000 goal, and nearly 50 backers pushed it past the $150,000 mark almost immediately. Early supporters are locking in roughly 50% discounts, and the company plans to ship this machine anywhere on the planet. So what exactly is this robot? Think of it as the ultimate all-season yard assistant. The Turfstorm is built on a rugged all-wheel drive chassis designed to operate year-round, from blazing summer heat to freezing winter mornings. Its attachments snap on and off, transforming the robot depending on the task: mowing, snowblowing, or leaf collection. As a mower, the Turfstorm covers an 800mm cutting width. That's about 3.15 inches across and gives you a finely tunable cutting height from 10 to 110 millimeters, perfect for tight grooming or a more natural lawn look. And with mapping tech this sharp, it claims to maintain areas as large as 10,000 square meters while staying accurate within 1 centimeter. When winter rolls in, the robot switches personalities. The snowblowing system can clear drifts up to 20 inches deep and launch snow up to 65 feet away, a serious upgrade from most consumer blowers. Fall cleanup also covered. The leaf collecting module scoops debris into its container and drops it exactly where you tell it. Under the hood, the Turfstorm runs on a swappable 2,880 watt-hour battery that delivers around 6 hours of operation. Its navigation blends RTK positioning, HD cameras, and radar sensors, a system normally reserved for high-end robotics. It's also rated IP56 for dust and water resistance, and it operates in temperatures from -25 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. Rain, snow, heat, it's built for all of it. Kickstarter backers have several early bird bundles to choose from. The mowing set at $2,499, the snowblowing set at $2,899, the 2-in-1 mowing and leaf collector at $3,099, and the top-tier 3-in-1 combo at $3,599, which is advertised as more than 50% off retail. The company expects shipments to begin in April 2026. But as with any crowdfunding project, timelines are estimates, and there's always a risk that the product may evolve, be delayed, or never reach backers. Still, if the Apollo Turfstorm delivers on even half of its promises, it could redefine what a yard robot is capable of. Only time and Kickstarter will tell.